Hi guys. Sorry if I haven't been uploading in so long, and and sorry if you can hear the show in the background. It's my stupid mom. She's not even in the shower. Mom. So, and I'm here with a special guest. We're gonna be doing a special video, and it's like truth on truth. I mean, what am I talking about? Truth or dare, but truth on truth. But not the dare. So she is going to be asking me questions and I'll be asking her questions. She got to tell me, and she's got to tell me the truth. So we're going to be telling you guys stuff about us. So here's a special guest. Please welcome Niece Sky! My niece Sky. So, you go first.
So, is it true that you have a boyfriend?
No, I don't have one.
Okay. Is it, you go.
So, are you actually married to Kyle?
Just so you know, guys, if you don't know what Kyle is, he's my boyfriend. And yes, I do have a boyfriend. And he is married to me. Technically.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Do you love Tristan?
Nope.
Okay. You go.
What questions do I ask? Is it true that you had an infection in your ears when you got your ears pierced?
Yes. Because in the back of my ear here, it's not here anymore. But,
because your mum didn't wash them?
No. There's fake earrings. There's fake earrings on this one. And it got all black at the side of my ear. And just so you know, if you don't know what this is, it's makeup. There's nothing by my eyes.
She smudged it.
Sadly.
Let me see. You asked me a question.
Is it true that you have a bed? Still.
What kind of question is that?
No, like in your bedroom still. Do you sleep in here?
No, I do not sleep on the floor. I sleep in that room.
If you don't know what we're on about, she does not have a bedroom, but she does have a bedroom, but her bed's moved.
No, it's because my brother's here and he has to sleep in my room. And my mum snores, and I was like up until 1 o'clock in the morning. And
Should we end the video?
No.
I really want to.
No. We have a lot of fights going. Let go! Guys, she was gonna bite me. One like equals one prayer for me. Okay, I'll just keep the words. What would it move? What? Okay. So,
Whose phone's in there?
So, who do you love more, me or your mum?
My mom, because she actually is for me.
But like she takes, it's not like it's not like she takes you in her room to play with her. Ask me a question and then it's the end of the video.
Okay, we're gonna pick it up a notch. When you was a baby, is it true that you stepped on a bee? Well, if you don't know what we're on about,
Backstory: I was younger. I lived in this house and I went outside and it was sunny and there was either a wasp or bee on the floor and I walked on it barefoot, sorry, and it stung me because something stuck in my mouth. And then and it died because it couldn't retract the stinger back. So it died. Anyways, Bye guys, I hope you really enjoyed the video.
Make sure to subscribe and give it a big thumbs up. And hit the bell.
Yes. And if you actually want to see more of my videos, make sure to check out my channel. And if she starts a channel, I will start plugging. Oh, by the way, if you're wondering, do I have merch? No, not yet.
She will get some soon now. If she doesn't, I'm gonna kill her.
I made